Assembly has passed the 12 billion budget for the financial year 2026-2027, paving way for the implementation of development and service delivery programs across the county. Speaking after the approval process, Migori County Assembly Speaker Christopher Usana said that 8 billion had been allocated to recurrent expenditure, while 4 billion would be directed towards development projects in all the county's 40 wards.
The budget estimate as a total of 12.4 billion Kenya shillings, the record highest ever since devolution started. Out of it, we are expecting 9.1 billion from the Exchequer, or otherwise known as National Treasury, and we have our own source of revenue, and this is good news. For the first time, Migori County Assembly and Migori County government is poised to generate on-source revenue totaling 1.2 billion Kenya shillings. Further, we have, the budget is categorized into two, that is recurrent and development. 8.6 billion will go towards financing recurrent. Recurrent does not mean salaries. It is salaries, it is operations, it is working tools, it is equipments. So all that will consume 8.6 billion Kenya shillings. We shall therefore reserve, or we have appropriated 4.1 billion Kenya shillings to go directly to development across the 40 wards of Migori County. The county government of Migori, oversighted by the Assembly, are optimistic that we will render more services than the previous year.
South Kanyamkago MCA Graham Kagali, who also serves as the chairperson of the Assembly Budget Committee, called on the county administration to fast-track procurement processes to ensure timely implementation of projects. He noted that the county is gradually heading into the electioneering period and emphasized the need for counties to fully utilize the funds allocated to them for the benefit of residents.
We need procurement to start off in good time because 2027 is an electioneering year. So we are putting the departments on toes in advance, and I want to thank the committees because the committees are supposed to oversight the same, the sectoral departments, to fast track this so that we can achieve whatever we had pledged in this budget in good time before we go to the electioneering period. The other issue is that we still request for more funds. Devolution is still not complete. We still need more monies in counties because even if you start valuing the CIDP, which is a 5-year plan, actually the funds that come to counties are still very minimal to achieve the dream that we desire.
Tagare Ward MCA Moses Magwe urged the county government to ensure effective service delivery, noting that the budget approved by the Assembly had been proposed by the county executive.
We have passed this budget as proposed by the executive. So there is absolutely no reason why the governor may not perform. There is absolutely no reason. Because since we joined this assembly, we have at all times as assembly passed the proposed budget estimates as they come from the executive. And therefore, this being the last year, because this is the last budget that is going to be implemented before the election. And therefore, I will expect that the manifesto of the governor, by the end of this financial year, should be 100%, or at worst at 90%, because of all his proposals, as he had envisioned on his manifesto, has been clearly been supported by these members of County Assembly.
However, he expressed dissatisfaction with some aspects of the budget, citing the omission of key projects such as the Getonganya potato processing plant and the Karamu slaughterhouse, which he said have yet to receive adequate attention despite the importance to local economic development.
It's only that I'm disappointed. Some of the key projects that we have been very vocal about them, including Getonganya, Karamu, they have not seen the light of the day for the last 4 years. And therefore, I think now it's time for the Koreans, especially people from Korea, to start looking on the next move going forward, whether they still stand with this government or they have to look for another government to support, because those key projects actually, now it is clear that they will not be done under this administration.
Lennox Odede reporting for Ndizi TV Africa from Migori County.